All right, number 2. Students in Miss Guerrero's class must complete at least 40 math problems for homework every week. The table shows the progress of 4 students on Wednesday. Which list shows the amount of homework completed in order from greatest amount of time spent to least amount? Now notice we have a decimal, a fraction, a percent, and another fraction. I personally would convert everything into a decimal. It's the easiest thing to do. All right. Good news is Katie's already in decimal form. Grace, how do you convert a percent into a decimal? Cover up the percent sign. Since it's a whole number, put the decimal behind it. Move it 2 places to the left. There's your decimal. Now the last 2 are fractions, so all you're going to do is tie bow, top in, bottom out. So let's start with D'Angelo. Top in, bottom out. 40 can fit into 45 one time. Since I have a remainder, add a 0, move it down. 40 goes into 50 one time. Still have a remainder, so add another 0. 40 goes into 100 2 times. And then 40 can go into 200 5 times. Some are like, whoa, whoa, whoa. There is no way 45 divided by 40 is 1,125. You are correct. The reason being, 45, take away 40, leaves a remainder of 5. Since I had no other numbers up here, I forgot to add the decimal. So it should be 1.125 for D'Angelo. 1.125. Now let's look at Jonah. Jonah is 2/3, so we got to do top in, bottom out. Three cannot fit into 2, so there's your decimal. 3 goes into 20 6 times. Ooh, it's time for a sandwich. You'll see how these 20s are repeating. That means this 6 is going to keep repeating forever and ever, so I'm going to put a bar over it. All right. Now we have to put these in order from greatest to least. But I'm not done yet. Notice how I'm lining up my decimals. Now all these empty spaces, like here, 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 and here, we need to fill those in. I'm going to fill these in with zeros. But this one's different. Since I have a bar over the 6, that means the 6 repeating. Put the 6 over it. Now let's put it in order from greatest to least. Look at the whole numbers. The biggest whole number I have is a 1. So it's between D'Angelo and Grace. Now look at the tenths. You have a 1 versus a 0. The 1 is bigger, which means D'Angelo spent the most time, followed by Grace. And now we're looking at Jonah and Kate. They both have a whole number of 0. Look in the tenths. I have a 4 versus a 6. The 6 is bigger. So he got 3rd. That means Katie spent the least amount of time. So my answer choice, 45/40 was D'Angelo. That would be right there. Answer choice B.